Okay, so here we've got a Yale Y125 this was donated to me very generously by a chap in the town next to us, and it's a very heavy padlock with a nice big thick hardened steel shackle. It's not the boron steel kind, they seem to be on the later models, but it's a very sturdy padlock for sure. However, the cores on these don't tend to be so good, so let's just see. So nothing on pin 1, or pin 2, or pin 3, or 4, but pin 5 has put us in a false set. Pin 4 seems to be a little bit stiff there, and there's a click. I'll just come back to pin 1. Nothing. Nothing on 2. Nothing on 3. That's a little strange. Let's go back to pin 1, pin 2. Yep. There we go, it was pin 3. It just wasn't setting. Pin 1, but we've lost the full set. Okay, we've got the full set back again. And that was pin 2, and that's pin 1. There we go. It's not too difficult. I think I made a couple of blunders. Maybe pushing pins up a little bit too high, but it is open, and it felt like there were maybe just maybe 2 or 3 security pins in there, but nice padlock.